principles of leave no trace. Plan and prepare. Research the area, weather, and regulation. Pack appropriate gear and food. Plan trips to avoid overcrowding and prepare for emergencies to reduce mistakes that harm the environment.
Of leave no trace. Travel in camp and durable surfaces. Stick to the established trail, campsite and rocks, gravel, and dry grass area to avoid damaging fragile vegetation, soil, and waterworks.
Balls. Dispose of waste properly. Pack it in, pack it out. Take all trash, food, crops, and personal items with you. Dispose of human waste in designated facilities or by digging cut-offs 6 or 8 inches deep.
Take natural objects, rock, plants, artifacts, or alter structures, composite signs. Preserve the environment for others to experience.
Principle. Use established fire rings or camp stoves when possible. Keep fire small. Use only dead and down wood and fully extinguish them with water before leaving.
Six principles. Respect wildlife. Observe animal from a distance. Do not kill them. It harms their health and behavior. Store food securely and avoid disturbing their habitats.
Tell to other hikers. Respect private property and let others enjoy the outdoors peacefully.